Hi friends, in today's video we are going to study about the concept displacement. See, note the one thing that distance and displacement, both the concepts are different from each other. As per the definition of displacement, displacement is nothing but it is shortest distance between the initial and final position of the object. It is called as displacement. Now we will understand this in some better manner with the help of this example. You can see here I have drawn one segment, and on that segment some points are present. O is the origin point, A, B and C are the 3 points are on some distances, and you can see with the difference of 10 units I have mentioned some numbers right from 0, 10, 20 up to 70. This distance is in kilometers. This distance is in kilometers. Now, what is displacement? Suppose I am starting my journey, or there is one object. It has started traveling from point O. That object is traveling up to point B. So the distance covered from O to B. So distance covered from O to B in this case is 70 kilometers. See, from O to B, the distance is 70 kilometers. Now, that object is coming back from point B to point C. So, distance between point B to point C is, we can simply subtract 40 from 70, because at point C, the calibration is of 40 kilometers. So, distance between BC is nothing but 70 minus 40, that is 30 kilometer. Now consider a very important thing. The object has traveled from O to B 70 kilometers, and it came back from point B to point C, means 70 plus 30. So total distance traveled is 100 kilometers in this case. So total distance traveled 100 kilometers. But what about displacement? As per the definition, displacement means it is the shortest distance between initial point, means starting point, and final point. See, from O to B, object is traveling and it came back to its final point at C. So this is starting point and C is ending point. And shortest distance between starting and ending point is 40 kilometers. So in this case, displacement is equal to 40 kilometers. See here, not one important thing. Distance traveled is 100 kilometers. This 70, and for coming back up to C, it is 30. So total distance covered is 100 kilometer, but the actual displacement is just 40 kilometers, because displacement means what? Shortest distance between initial and final position of the object. So displacement is 40 kilometers. Thank you.